Welcome to the Southern Region MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Region housing market, which includes these areas. In December, the nation added 74,000 jobs. This is the smallest increase in several years, but the unusually high number of snow days in much of the country may have played a role. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and retail trade. Federal government employment levels continue to decline. The U.S. unemployment rate was 6.7% in December, down from 7% in November. While this is the lowest unemployment rate in 5 years, the decrease was partially caused by people dropping out of the labor force. Nationally, the housing market has shown some weakness in the final months of the year, with both existing home sales and pending home sales at lower levels than in the prior year. But new home sales and housing starts are rising, although they continue to be historically low. Despite this mixed performance, overall housing market performance in 2013 has improved relative to 2012 due to stronger performance earlier in the year. The improvement is expected to continue, with builder confidence, measured by the National Association of Home Builders, continuing to increase. The local economy returned to its pre-shutdown patterns, adding 1,400 resident workers in the 12 months ending in November. The unemployment rate in the region decreased to 4.9% from 5.5% a month ago, which is a level that the region has reached only one other time since 2008. In December, buyer activity recovered from November. Closed sales increased 20.6% from last year for a total of 439 sales in December. This is the highest December level in 8 years. New pending contracts decreased 9.5% from last December to a total of 333 contracts in December 2013. There were 2,269 active listings at the end of December, 15.4% more than this time last year. Inventory has now risen as compared to the prior year for 7 consecutive months. However, the number of homes for sale remains tight and is only 39.6% of its 2007 peak. For the first time since spring, new listings decreased from the prior year. There were 432 new listings in December, 7.1% fewer than December last year. At $239,000, the median sales price is 16.6% higher than this time last year, a gain of $34,000. This is the highest December-level median sales price for the region in 6 years. The median days on market for the region is now 48 days, 10 days more than this time last year. The housing market continued to improve in December, despite the disturbance in November caused primarily by the federal government shutdown. Buyer engagement largely returned to levels seen earlier in the year, but new pending contracts lagged. Seller participation has continued to slowly increase, although it's still at historically low levels. That's the Southern Region's MarketWatch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.